Hello there and a very happy new year to you. Now 2018 is getting off to something of an unsettled start weather-wise across the UK. We've got spells of wet and windy weather pushing their way through, and we have issued a yellow weather warning for strong winds for tomorrow. So let's take a closer look at where those strong winds are coming from. Now all eyes to this area of low pressure pushing its way slowly in from the Atlantic. It's going to bring some spells of rain with these weather fronts as it pushes in through the course of Tuesday, but it's this second band of weather fronts bringing rain, very strong winds to many parts of the UK, particularly parts of the north at first tomorrow evening, but then very strong winds for tomorrow night across the south. Now we could see gusts in the region quite widely of 50 to 60 miles per hour inland, bringing some potential disruption to travel, again damage to buildings quite possible, and particularly along western coast we could see gusts up to around 70 miles per hour. Now that combined with high tides could see some coastal impacts, some large waves across western and southern coast, so do keep an eye on the forecast and stay up to date for the weather for tomorrow. But back to the here and now then, let's take a look at the rest of this afternoon. And we've got an area of rain clearing away from the southeast. Quite strong winds for southwestern parts of Wales, southwest England, seeing some fairly gusty conditions this afternoon. And we'll see some showers packing in on that breeze, mainly for northern parts for the first part of the day, and some of those showers turning to snow over the higher ground. Temperature-wise, we'll reach double figures in the south, but it will always feel that bit colder in the strength of those winds. Now, through the course of the evening, then, showers drifting their way southwards, but as they clear to the southeast, we'll see some clearer spells developing tonight, and under those clearing skies, temperatures will take a tumble. So it's a cold night to come, some pockets of frost possible, the odd fog patch maybe here and there as well, particularly for parts of the north. Now, temperature-wise, we could see these figures in towns and cities, but it will be that bit colder in rural spots. So to start the day tomorrow then, a cold and bright start to the day, but this weather front will quickly push its way in from the west through the course of the morning, turning very wet and quite windy for some parts first thing on Tuesday. Most places seeing some rain by the middle of the afternoon, but it will quickly clear away. Then we'll see a brighter spell of weather for the middle part of the day. Now temperature-wise, temperatures reaching double figures again, but again with the strength of the breeze, always feeling that little bit cooler. Now all eyes to this band of rain for the evening time, then quickly working its way across parts of Northern Ireland into parts of Northern England as well, and that's where we see the winds really pick up and our yellow weather warning comes into play. Now, as we head towards midnight, the winds will strengthen as well for the south. So strong winds across a large part of Wales and southern England. Another yellow warning is in force for this. So do keep up to date with the latest warnings on our website, which is metoffice.gov.uk.